Hi everyone. I just want to take a moment to show you a feature in Canvas quizzes that will allow you to hide the test score result from your students. Um, Canvas, as it's already set, automatically publishes the grade that students get as soon as they complete the assessment. Um, if you don't want that to happen, there are two things that you're going to have to do. First, you're going to have to go to grades on the left. This might not be visible to your students, but it does not need to be. Um, then you have to pick out the assessment that you want to do so you can find one of your assessments. Now, keep in mind, the assessment has to be published before you can do these two or set these two parameters for your quiz. So with that in mind, I always recommend that you use a access code for your assessments. That way you can publish the quiz or test and the students will not have access to it because they will need the password and you'll only give that password when they are about to take the quiz or test. So once the assessment is published, you would click these three dots in the upper right hand corner of the test column in the grade book. And then you're going to come down and you're going to first click hide grades. Once you click hide grades, you can read everything that it's hiding, their grade for the assignment, grade change notification. So if you're updating with comments, if you're giving a question back, any score change, maybe you've graded one of the fill in the responses. So that's the first thing. You're going to have to click hide. The second item that you're going to do is going to be located in the same spot. I'll just let this load for a moment. Success grades have been hidden. But nonetheless, once the student takes the test, it's still going to show them their score right away. So you're going to want to click those three dots in the upper right-hand corner again. Scroll all the way down to grading posting policy. Click grading posting policy, and then you're going to check manual. Manual will keep hidden the automatic grade that is generated by Canvas for all of the questions that Canvas has answers to. So that way a student won't see that they got an 18 out of 20 or a 17 out of 20 right away. That kind of, I guess, prevents, maybe some test anxiety, especially if a student is taking multiple parts and they do poorly on one part and then it's kind of messing with them for the remainder of the assessment. So you're going to click manual and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click save in the bottom right hand corner. Once you've done that, you have successfully hidden your grades from the student until you have completed grading everything. Have a great day.